Now, I'm pretty sure that you're wondering how to make the zoom in and zoom out in some parts of the video. Well, usually when you finish recording your video, the program will automatically set the zoom points in some parts of your video. But if you want to change them, you can do this. Just right click on the zoom point that was already established, and you can either delete it from the timeline or you can modify it. Let's click on modify to see what happened. This is a preview window where it's going to show how the zoom will look like, and you can change the zoom by doing this or this. Okay, then you can change the duration of the zoom, and once you're done, click finish to save your work. Now let's preview what we have done. And as you notice, the zoom is going to stay in the same way unless you change the zoom again. So at this point, the zoom is going to change because the program established another zoom point. But let's say that after this, you want to show the full screen. So just click at this point, then click on zoom and pan. Okay, you can either make it bigger by doing this, or you can do it in the faster way, which is just by clicking here. Okay, now we click finish, and let's preview our work. Now, let's say that you want to hide some information that you have typed on a website for security reasons when reproducing your video. What you can do is this. What you can do is click on callout, then click on the plus, and select the type of callout that you want. In this case, I'm gonna use the blur callout because I don't want anybody to see my email. So I place it wherever I want and change the size. Okay, once you're done, click on finish. Then, same as the music, you can select until what point you want your callout to appear. In this case, I want it to appear until the end of the video. Now, let's see the preview. So with this callout, now nobody can see my email. You can also use the callouts for many things, such as highlighting something important. Let's say here, let's say you want to highlight this part where you register. Then you click on finish and check your work. Then you can also, let's delete this. And let's add a new one. Let's say an arrow. As you know, you can change the size of the callout, but you can also type something inside the callout. Let's say type here. You can also change the color. And let's click finish to see how it looks. Now let's learn a little bit about transitions. First, you need a video. Let's click on import media and let's select a video that I record with the program Fraps. Once you have the video, just drag it down to the video timeline. Then let's see how it looks like without a transition. Okay, it's not so good. So let's add a transition. You go to transitions and select the kind of transition that you want. You can preview your transition by double click them. Well, let's pick up this one. Okay? Then click on finish to save your work and play it to see how it looks like. Now let's say that you want to add subtitles to your video. What you can do is go to captions, just close this window, and here you're going to type or paste a text. I already have a text, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Then in the screen you will only show 3 lines of text. So I'm going to separate this. And if you're wondering how are you going to determine the timing for each text, you will do so by just clicking on the text once you hit this button. So let's try it out and see how it works. Now I'm gonna click on the second line. Now I'm gonna click on this line. Now finally this line. So that's it. Now we stop it and let's see how it looks like. Then just click on finish and save your work.